Recent legislative changes in Colorado have opened the possibility that former President Donald Trump could not be able to participate in the state's presidential primary due to a 55-year-old regulation. The crux of the matter revolves around the interpretation of the 14th Amendment and its impact on Trump's eligibility. A Colorado judge came to the conclusion last month that Trump might be permitted to participate in the state's presidential primary. The Colorado Supreme Court is currently considering this decision, though. Due to its exploration of the nuances of the 14th Amendment, including issues of citizenship, equal protection under the law, and the potential for disqualification for those who take part in insurrection or revolt against the Constitution, the case has garnered attention. The primary issue of disagreement is whether or not Trump's actions connected to the events of January 6, 2021, are protected by the 14th Amendment's disqualification clause, according to a Newsweek article that was published on Friday, December 8, 2020. 3. This clause prohibits candidates for public office from having previously taken an oath of office as public servants and participated in acts of insurrection or rebellion against the Constitution. A seldom used clause, the disqualification clause raises unique legal questions when considered in the context of Trump's actions. Arguments on whether or not the insurrectionist ban should be applied in this particular case were recently heard by the Colorado Supreme Court. A national norm for the application of the disqualification clause in situations similar to this one might be established by the ruling in this case. Legal professionals and academics have debated the significance of this potential disqualification. Some claim that because of his actions on January 6, 2021, which could be interpreted as an insurrection against the Constitution, Trump is subject to the disqualification clause. Some contend that interpreting the clause is a complex legal issue that requires a close examination of the specific facts and the parties' intentions. While the ruling of the Colorado Supreme Court will immediately impact Trump's candidacy for the state's presidential primary, the broader implications could influence the national dialogue on whether or not individuals involved in events such as the Capitol riot should face punishment other than criminal charges. Legal commentators further point out that throughout American history, the disqualification clause has not been used very often.